Members of the Hnym National Youth Movement have urged the Deputy Commissioner of Riboy District to intervene and address the alarming pollution levels in Byrnihat, which is posing potential health hazards to the residents of the area. Recent data released by the Centre for Research on Energy and Clean Air highlighted that Byrnihat urban area is amongst the highest polluted areas due to the presence of industrial estates. The group handed over a memorandum to the district administration requesting his intervention to address the deteriorating air quality in Byrnihat.
Niskuntu baka jingbun ciki factory hapo Byrnihat kalong haduk ata nama balai kat dalam baka jingbun ciki factory kiba peni ya kanikal air jakya te hadin bangilawan kendu mentan ya i additional DC nakaliang ka jong i ila priang ya ka complain ya ka letter complain ka jongi ila ong ba in forward ya ketika complain ya ketika letter complain ka jongi sya ka state pollution control board tina kaliang ka jongi ni kerman baka ne ka complain ka jongi ka letter ka bangilawan bu ha po ha i additional DC kanamlong ka ba ja kendong ne kanamlong ka ba kaban putno tang mata ka sneakerman ba wat ka state pollution control board ro kan simkia ba de bakani.
The Festival of